What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trimming my hair. I'm going to blow dry it, trim it, and show you how I get my hair in this style and this healthy length. Just look at the shine on my hair. So if you want to see how I did that, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like blown out. As y'all saw, I'm not the best at blowing out my hair. I probably used that hair dryer a couple of times in my adult life. So I did the best that I could. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm hoping it's not too damaged because I did get a trim like 6 months ago. But I did go to Sally Beauty and buy some from shears, really sharp. So I'm going to be giving myself a trim today. I'm going to plug in my straightener, and it's just an Infinity Pro Conair straightener. It's been through life with me, okay? And until it stops working, that's when I'm going to stop using it. But it doesn't have like a degree setter. It just has numbers right here. So that's how you know it's old school. I would invest in another straightener, but I am a curly girl, so I never actually straighten my hair, so there's no need for me to go out and buy a stupid expensive straightener just to straighten my hair. So I'm just gonna plug the straightener in and get to straightening, and then we're going to skip to the trim. And hopefully it ain't too bad because I'm tired of losing my inches, okay? I'm scared. I'm about to straighten my hair for the first time in a minute. I'm about to cut my own hair for the first time with actual shears. So the first time I ever trimmed my hair was last year, and that was just with regular scissors. It wasn't the smartest move, all right? So definitely get you some professional shears that are sharp, that won't let your hair keep breaking, because when you trim your hair with regular scissors, they're more dull, and that just causes your hair shaft to break even more. So get you some professional shears. These cost me about 80 some dollars, like 85, 99, something like that. Get you some. These are from Sally Beauty. I actually wanted to get the ones from herstrandsofhair.com, but the shipping would have taken too long, and I was trying to get this done now because this is like the 6th month of not having a trim, and I needed a trim because my hair is starting to get a little bit of breakage, and I'm starting to get some fairy knots, and when I know I'm getting fairy knots, it's time to let them ends go. So So I'm about to straighten my hair, and then we're gonna get on to the trimming. I'm rambling because I'm nervous. Ooh, what if I mess my hair up? Okay. I'm gonna be watching Judge Mathis to calm these nerves because I really feel like I'm about to burn my stuff off. Okay. Y'all, come through the camera, come sit with me. I'm nervous. Ooh, this is why you need to have friends around. Corona, go away. all right, let me complain.
It hurt her.
I did want to mention that I showed you guys before that I put a heat protectant on my hair. It was grapeseed oil, so my hair was protected when I blow dried it, and it is protected now. Obviously the less product you use, the better your silk press will be. This ain't really a silk press, but that's what I'm calling it, because I'm trying to get these ends silky straight. Silky straight. Period. Bruh, how do y'all do this? Okay, I might be nervous or something. I cannot get the comb in there right. I'm struggling. I'm struggling and I'm nervous. Well, baby, come help me. Why you just watching me struggle?
What?
My hair is straightened, and I can definitely tell my ends need to be trimmed. I'm gonna turn around to try to give you guys like what it looks like, because I don't even know what it looks like. I'm gonna have to put up that weird setup again so that you guys can see when I trim my hair, because my setup is weird down here and I can't see. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. All right, y'all, tell me how bad it is. I feel like I'm bald. Alright, so as you just saw, I pretty much trimmed my hair. I went through this side of my head twice, so I'm gonna go through this side of my head again. But I can say that I feel like all of my dead ends are gone for the most part. My hair feels really soft. This is what I was looking for. I really just wanted to get the dead ends off because I didn't have straight pieces per se, but the top half of my hair definitely has a looser curl pattern than the bottom, and it's prone to frizziness more, and I really just wanted to stop any split ends before they can go any further. And my hair is not inherently thick to begin with, so yes, my ends look thin and like, you know, broken here, but they're not. Like, it's just my hair is super thin. Like, okay, so this is how I'm going to style my hair for today before I wrap it up tonight. I'm not gonna curl it or anything or put any additional heat on it, but I did want to show you guys that, you know, edges are slicked down and my hair is straight. It feels healthy. It's light. It's definitely shorter than I care to have it, but this is what a healthy head of hair looks like. So ladies, if you're ever thinking that you need to hang on to them dead ends, don't. Get you a good pair of shears from Sally's or wherever, or hairstrandsofhair.com. That's where I really wanted to get mine. And just let the ends go, sis. Take your time when you're doing your hair, especially if you're a first timer like me and you're trying to DIY it, so you don't mess up your hair. Take it section by section and cut your hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And I mean, if you just liked watching me struggle or hanging with your girl, you know, I appreciate you for sticking around. So give this video a thumbs up if you had fun today watch me do my hair. Leave a comment below if you have any tips to help me the next time I trim my hair, or if you have any questions or about my routine, let me know in the comments. And if you're new, sis, subscribe to the video because you made it this far. You obviously like the content, you love hanging with your girl, and I will see you in the next banger. Bye.